You can clean your liver with the help of delicious drinks. Regular liver detoxification is one of the habits that contributes to promoting the sensation of well-being throughout your body. Today we will share 3 simple recipes that you can drink before bed in order to obtain these benefits while you're resting. 1. Oat and cinnamon water. By combining the nutritional properties of the oats with the benefits that come from cinnamon, you can get a cleansing and antioxidant-filled drink. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oat flakes, 20 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Preparation: add the oats to the cup of water. Let sit for a couple of hours. Then, blend with a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. How to drink it? Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. Drink it for at least 2 weeks straight. 2. Lemon peel tea. There is a large amount of vitamin C, essential oils and powerful antioxidants in lemon peels. Once absorbed by the body, they clean your liver and prevent diseases. Ingredients: the peel of 1 lemon, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation: cut up the lemon peel and then add it to a cup of boiling water. Cover the drink and let steep for 10 minutes. Then, strain it and sweeten with a tablespoon of honey. How to drink it? Drink the tea 30 minutes before going to bed. Repeat every day for 3 weeks. 3. Ginger and lemon tea. This ginger and lemon drink is a digestive, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant remedy that can be used as a complement for detoxifying your liver and gallbladder. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 5 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, juice from 1/2 lemon. Preparation: pour 1 teaspoon of grated ginger into a cup of water and then put it on to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. When it is ready, cover the tea and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain it and add the juice from 1/2 lemon. How to drink it? Drink the tea 40 minutes before going to bed. Drink this remedy for 2 or 3 weeks in a row.